What's up, guys? Today we got another gig log. This episode we're going to be doing Kate and Boris's after party. Typically I don't do a lot of after parties unless I'm working an event earlier in the day, but I got a call from my man Louis Avanti from AMG Events and Visuals, one of the best event planners in all of New York City. And he told me that he wanted to create a nightclub atmosphere for a high-end wedding in Manhattan, New York City. So I decided, why not take the job, show off, have some fun, and of course do right by my mentor and good friend Louis. So without further ado, let's dive in, take a look at the entirety of the party, and hopefully you guys find some really cool things in there. Let's do it. So tonight, my company is doing a band for a huge wedding in New York City, and we decided to sell an after-party DJ. So in a good way, I get to hang out all Saturday, but now it is call time and I have to go to the shed and load up a few uplights, and then I'll be driving back into Manhattan for not the second, but the third time in 3 days. So let's rock this after party. Let's do it. Okay, so we're about 5 minutes away from the venue. Luckily, traffic opened up and we're getting here a little earlier than expected. The only thing is, I don't know about parking, so let's just see if I get lucky again. Let's find out. Okay, officially loaded in. No elevator, but small stairs that led straight to the street. We got very lucky. So this room is pretty small, and I'm only rocking Evol 50s, some uplights, and effects bars from JMaz. So this is what the room looks like for now. And I'm gonna set up, get ready to go, and check it later. Okay guys, so we're all done setting it up. I want to show you a little bit what we're working with tonight. We are rocking the Evol 50s from EV. Absolutely love these speakers. We also have our JMaz effects bar 5050s. We have two of them. We have one on each side, and they are DMX controlled. Behind the booth is pretty simple. We got two MK2s Technique turntables, and of course we have the classic DJM Pioneer S9 mixer. We're running Serato 3.0, and the reason why is because I want to use stems. And for the light controls, we have the Forever Lovable Show Express by Chauvet. And I have a couple of things lit here. So I have a strobe feature, I have a couple dance scenes, some pretty simple stuff, nothing too crazy, gonna be a simple night. So the exciting thing is, I heard upstairs, I took a little peek into the room. This is a party crowd, man. They came to actually have a really good time tonight. I'm excited, hopefully, that we get a little bit of a club feel, and I'm rocking my camera right behind me so you guys can see everything from a bird's eye view. So that's it, man. Let's get into the party and let's have some fun. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the official after party. I want you guys to grab a drink, grab a little food. We're going straight to 2 a.m., baby. Let's get this party started. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. That's right, come on! Get those hands up, 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 up! Get those hands up!
me, pull up to the scene, every bad chick, I could be your fantasy. Tell me how you want. 3, 2, 1, and I'm on the feel good, though. Hold shit, you ain't good. I'm a bust it on the
Aquí tengo muchas novias, hoy tengo a una, mañana a otra. Me la voy a llevar a todas con VIP, saludos a ti,
He drops, we're gonna jump, are we ready? 1, 2, jump, 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 jump.
Don't you know I'm better? You got to come better. Don't you know I'm better? You got to come better.
Everybody sing it.
C'est comme ça, ma chérie. La 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 la. Tu Francia, Colombia, Venezuela, Freeze. Y Balvin, Willy William,
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, give it up for your newlyweds! My name is Jon Divine. I'm honored to serve you guys as your after-party DJ. Congratulations, Kate Boris. Guys, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. God bless you all. Have a great night and a great rest of your year. We'll see you next time. That was it, guys. That was Kate and Boris's after party celebration. I hope you guys found this really interesting. Hopefully you've learned something by watching this gig log. And if you have, do me a favor, as always, click those little links down below. Help me out because I'm really trying to provide some awesome content for upcoming DJs or just DJs in general who want to earn full-time business. Do me a favor, just, like it, subscribe, share, whatever you guys could do. I would really, really appreciate it. And of course, as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.